Hi guys, I'm here today with another video tutorial. Today I'm going to create a v2ray server on Ubuntu in AWS. Alright, let's get started. So I have created a notepad. Simple. Step 1 to 12. We'll be going each step together and we'll test the VPN. Now we'll go to our AWS console. Let's launch an instance. We'll call it v2ray. It will be an Ubuntu server. I'll be using a security group which I already created. Then we'll click launch. We'll wait for the AWS to do its magic and create our instance. Okay, we are done, and we'll click on connect to instance. Yes, there you go. So for the starters, we'll be putting sudo -i, and then we'll start with the notepad file. So first will be to update So we'll go through updating the OS. As soon as this is done, we'll go to the second one, which we will upgrade the packages. Okay, now it will be time to install the CURL, which is a package that we're using in the next step. Okay, this is done. And then now this will be run here. Okay, now this the installation phase is in Chinese language. So I have broken it down into 3 steps. So first question, it will be asking us if we agree. Second one will be to enter username. Third one for the password. And the fourth one will be the port number which we want to have our admin UI. So we'll go here, yes. For training purpose, I'm just giving admin and then using password as the password. And then the port number, we'll say 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and then done. So now it's time to open the admin UI. So this will be our IP address. So the port number 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. There we go. We're here. So username was admin. Password is password. We don't want to save it now. Then we'll use this create user icon. We'll create a user. Let's call it test. These are different protocols we can use: TCP, KCP, WS, HTTP, QUIC, and QRPC, which you can Google them each, and they have different functionalities. So for now, we'll be using the WS. We'll click on the blue, so it's the save. Then if you click on this, you'll have the QR code here. So let's give it a try. Now I'm going to be opening my v2ray app. We'll go from here, scan the QR code. It did. Then let's connect. Confirm. It's connecting. Accepted. Okay, and we can check now. As you can see, the IP address has changed to the IP of our server. So this is done for today. Thank you so much for watching.